And it goes a little something like
when I wake up in my bed, same old roof over my head, you will never hear me complain.
Hey guys, I am the Viernes, and for today's video, I'll be sharing to you the story of how I upcycled my unappealing bedroom by DIYing every single items with a very small budget that you will know later. So let's get started.
Darling, you send me.
So the ideas all came by scrolling through Pinterest. As I saved the photos that I like, I realized that what these photos have in common are some wood, a lot of lights, plants, and some art. The things that we will be DIYing in this video are the wooden headboard, a wall art, a pair of hanging light bulb, and hanging plants. I've always wanted to have the same room as Sam in the movie Perks of Being a Wallflower, so we will be also DIYing a canopy with lights in the ceiling. But the question is, can we DIY everything and do all of this using only 500 pesos? So if you want to know, keep watching until the end, and without further ado, let's start with the DIYs. Now starting to the wall art, which I so loved. After cutting and gluing an Oslo paper until I achieved my desired size, I then searched for minimalist artworks to get some inspirations online. And to make it more personal, I specifically chose some of the artworks that somehow correlates or will inspire me. So this image right here radiates a very strong woman vibe, which I so like. Some sunflowers just because I love them, and another image of a woman that hooked my eye because of the art style. And lastly, this pinky square drawing with the same art style, which I only printed. Well, because this girl right here doesn't know how to draw a hand. Anyways, since we're doing a budget makeover, I'll be using these popsicle sticks that we have at home to make these artworks look as if they were framed.
Woof.
Yes, you read it right, even the curtain is DIY'd. So for this project, you will be needing 3 yards of fabric. So I will be using satin fabric, which only cost me 45 pesos per yard. And then these curtain rings, which will make our curtain look perfectly pleated. These curtain rings only cost 20 pesos per yard. I ended up using the other side of the fabric because I realized that the original side was too shiny. So if you're wondering if I hemmed it, of course I did, but not by sewing, but by using my good old friend glue gun. Project, we'll be needing 2 of these vine leaves, which I bought from Shopee for only 30 pesos each. It is quite long, maybe about 2 yards. It is indeed cheap though, but I can say that it looks kind of real from afar, so it is still definitely worth the price. For the DIY pot, we will be needing to roll the black card and measure the right length to put the plastic jar inside. I also cut a long strip from the cardboard and stick it using the glue gun to mimic the shape of the traditional clay pot. Since we are doing a budget DIY, I will not be using a real macrame cord. Instead, I will be using these strips that I cut from a cotton fabric. To start off, basically you just have to do several square knots until you achieve your desired length.
Yo.
I know it looks like a real wood from the thumbnail, but guess what? I only use this wood wall adhesive which I bought online, also from SHOPEE, for only 90 pesos. Just in case you also have this kind of corner, simply put the wall adhesive against it like a normal headboard would do. Also, color the intervals between the wood black. This will give the spaces some depth and more texture. So here's the result. This is indeed the game changer of my room, and it sure looks like a real wood headboard. This DIY is definitely one of the easiest to do because all of the materials are recycled except with the two fairy lights that we will use. So the materials needed here are 4 broken or used light bulb, any black cord or cable from broken appliances, and 2 fairy lights. Starting off by wrapping the fairy lights around the pen to create a spiral form as we put it inside the light bulb. Beforehand, I just simply chopped off the metal part of the top of the bulb and emptied the inside. Down to the most of used much awaited DIY for sure. So for starters, we'll be needing these metal hooks. I attached 6 of these hooks on each part, which is the middle part, then the left side, and then the right side. So using our home string lights, I'll be just hanging this onto the hooks. Next day, I adjusted the string lights because I realized that the less curve you hang it, the neater it will look. Beforehand, I did try the fabric to know the length that I'll be needing. 4 yards would be enough if you have the same size of my room. It should look like this with 3 sticks inserted, then just hang it to the hooks. I just added some fabrics and clipped the upper part to hide the visible rings. Are you ready? Come in!
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra, extra, extraordinary.
Funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
And that is it, guys. So So the total money that I spent on the whole makeover is only 565 pesos. So if you wanna see me do my vanity and closet area, please be sure to click the subscribe and hit the notification bell button so you'll get notified when I upload a new video.
Darling, you